Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with my 5-year natural hair update. Yes, another year has come and gone and I'm at the 5-year mark. I've got my hair out, it's been blow dry. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so the last time I did my update, I was heavily pregnant. I was a month away from, giving birth. My hair was thick and healthy. Some of you asked whether being pregnant, helped my hair grow. I don't think it really helped it grow per se, but it definitely was a lot stronger. I didn't have as much breakage when I was pregnant, so I can definitely say that. Since then, my hair has, continued to flourish. As you can see, it's nice and thick. It's full. I actually recently trimmed it because I hadn't trimmed it for a little while. There was a point where I was dusting the ends like after every wash, which was every 2 weeks, and I think it was becoming excessive. I was cutting hair that, I didn't need to cut because I'd see the littlest strand sticking out and I'd cut it. So, yeah, I left it for a while without trimming the ends. But yeah, I did it not too long ago, so the ends are a lot better. It's not thin on the ends like it was. They say that if you can see through the hair, it usually means that you need to trim or get rid of that hair at the end. So I've done that and I can definitely see the difference. It looks better, it's more even. So I'm happy with that. Now I can also say that I have straightened my hair a lot more in the last year, more than I usually would. And that's simply because sometimes it's just easier for my hair to be, blow dried and straightened in terms of, being able to manage it. Run my fingers through my hair like this. Sometimes when I just wash and braid it, yeah, it's a lot harder to work with, especially, if I do like a braid out after like the first week where it's really nice and soft and lush. Yeah, it gets a bit harder to manage, the texture gets a bit harder. So yeah, sometimes I just blow dry and straighten it just so I can work with it a lot easier. So I have done that. I always blow dry on low heat. And I also flat iron on low heat, and I never do it bone straight because the point is not for it to be bone straight. It's just so it's easier to work with, like I said. Now in terms of products that I've been using, I'm still using the Neutrogena 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner for dandruff, and that one's an anti-dandruff shampoo because my dandruff is crazy. Like I literally cannot go 2 weeks without washing my hair because first of all the itchiness drives me crazy. Sometimes if I scratch too much, I get like sores on my head, so I have to wash it like at around 2 weeks, sometimes a little less. Yeah, otherwise the dandruff, it's just flaking everywhere. It's gross. I don't like it. But yeah, it's really annoying washing my hair every 2 weeks because it's such a process to wash, detangle, braid it up. Yeah, it takes time. But yeah, that's what I got to do to maintain and manage my hair. Occasionally I'll go like 4 weeks or 6 weeks if I'm like wearing a wig. So like at the 2-week mark, I'll just wash my cornrows and let it air dry, and then I can stretch it for maybe another 2 to 3 weeks, and then I have to take it out and just wash it properly. But I don't do that as often, and that's because I really do like a freshly washed scalp. I like when my hair is washed and it's clean and it's fresh. So yeah, I put myself through washing it like every 2 weeks. Okay, now with my conditioner, I'm still using the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration. The coconut one is the one that I've been using, and I've been using that for ages. It works well for me. It's inexpensive. So yeah. And then usually after I condition my hair, I'll do like a treatment. Depending on what I have. I'm actually going to be trying this coconut and almond oil hair mask. I got this from Kmart. I previously used the hair treatment for this brand here. This is the argan oil, but they also have like a thick cream that you can apply to your hair after you condition, and I leave that in, put a shower cap on while I'm bathing, and then wash it out at the end. And it usually does the job in terms of making my hair soft. After that, I'll usually wrap it with like some leggings, some lycra type leggings, just so it absorbs the water and dries. I don't towel dry my hair. And then I'll leave that for a couple of hours. If I feel up to it, I will braid it up that night. If not, I'll actually wait till the next morning and then braid it up then. And obviously by then it's dry. So then I'll just wet it with water again. And for my leave-in conditioner, I was using the Beautiful Textures, but it's hard to get it. It's expensive. I have to order it online. Sometimes I just want to grab something from the store and not have to wait for an order to come. So I've been using the Argan Oil Morocco Creamy Hair Butter by OGX. This is really good. It works pretty much the same for me. Then I will apply my coconut oil, and I've been using is it the Banaban one? I get it in a big jar and it lasts me for ages. I'll also apply, you know, a generous amount of that, and then I'll either cornrow it or I'll braid it up depending on what I'm doing, or sometimes even thread it. And then that's pretty much it. You know, if I'm wearing a wig, then I'll just wig it and the cornrows are underneath. If I'm wearing my hair out, I'll take it out after a few days. I did rock my natural hair maybe a month or so back, and it was beautiful. It was soft. Okay, so when I'm wearing my wigs, I did say previously that I have to put it on my hairline because I've got a low hairline. So when I do that, obviously I'm applying a lot of product to my edges, and I don't want to lose my edges. So after making sure that, you know, I wet it properly so I can take the wig off, I make sure to apply coconut oil to my edges just to keep it moisturized, because obviously if it's dry, then you're more prone to, you know, it breaking. And also when my hair is straight, I use this argan oil. I like it because it's light, it doesn't weigh my hair down. So that's what usually I apply at night. And then I'll just split it into two and I'll thread it. And that's pretty much what I do in terms of my nighttime routine. Okay, so I'm not going to do a full length check. I'm just going to check the back here. As you can see, this is where it's currently at. Like I said, I have trimmed the ends a bit, so I feel like it's going to be a little bit shorter than my last check. And he's back. So just for numbers' sake, I'm going to measure this here. Okay, Seb? Alright, so this is 11 inches. I think last time was about 12, not sure, but you know what, I am not really fussed about the length. I just want healthy hair, so I'm happy with it. I just want to show you guys what it's looking like right now. I did get a comment saying that, you know, oh, you know, you've been natural for 5 years, your hair should be a lot longer because hair grows this many inches a year and blah blah blah. And I just ignored the comment because everyone's hair is different, everyone's hair grows differently. So I'm not going to compare my journey to someone else's. You know, if your hair is at 20 inches, great for you, but that's not where my hair is at. But I can say that it is healthy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave it there. Seb is starting to become a bit of a problem. I'm gonna go take care of him. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Yeah, don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching again, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.